Plans were produced in 1806 by the great architect Jean-Claude Descoings. His idea was to construct a building over the spring, which would supply the wash house on the ground floor and to have 3 arcades opening onto the main street. It was not built, as the funds were appropriated by Napoleon for his military campaigns. In 1827, Besançon architect Louis Moreau built the town hall wash house following Descoings' original designs by creating a 4-building. However, the construction gained more height under the arches, giving the facade a monumental character. That's it.
Okay. You don't want to read it in German?
No.
So, this is the building. This is the town, in the town of Busey. And this is the wash house. This is where Allison did my laundry last night. There's the spring right there. Oh, yeah. Quite fancy. State of the art, dear.